How was that, Camber? Was that too bumpy? She's like, what are we doing? Where are we going? What's up, everyone? Back with another episode of Stuff and Things. We're out here on a quick weekend trail trip. Jake is here. New wheel and tire set up. And chunky 35s compared to mine. We are airing down right now. Nothing too crazy. Jake's got his kids with, and I brought my kid with. Camber, come here. This is gonna be Camber's first time off-road in the truck. So we'll see how she does. Now this trail is, I think, like a 3 out of 10 on Onyx, so really mellow. Still airing down a little bit, just in case it gets bumpy. Gonna try to make it a little bit smoother for Camber. That way she doesn't freak out while we're bouncing around. We did take her camping once when we first got her, and we really shouldn't be doing that because she really needs the rest of her shots and like rabies vaccine, all that stuff, before we have her like really exploring around out here with us. So for the most part today she'll be riding shotgun or in the back, the Axis cab, and we'll see how she does. Alright, went down to 20 psi all around. Gonna cook some lunch while we're out here too, so let's grab some stuff at a gas station. This is what we're working with for Camber's setup in the back. I put a little pee pad down here and taped it to my goose gear, just in case she gets a little excited and has an accident. Got a dog bed, one of her squeaky toys. Camber. Woo. Come on, Cam. Gotcha. Undo your leash. Here's your toy. She's already done an hour and a half up to the trailhead, and she was just kind of sleeping in the back. You gotta stay. Stay, stay, stay. No, no, no. But I just want to play.
Did she ever come in the front seat with you?
Yeah, I'll probably bring her in the front.
Roll down the window? Yeah, she can't jump out of there.
You ready?
Ready.
Let's do it. Here, you want to ride shotgun for this part, Cam? We'll bring you up here. Your bed. It's gonna be a little bumpy. You can't come on my side though. This trail is getting a little more gnarly than what we kind of thought based off of the Onyx rating. Oh man, this is rocky, dude.
It's just this section and then it clears out a little bit, so yeah. This should be pretty fun.
So we're almost at like the top of the trail, so we're just gonna keep on going through this section because this stuff right here looks pretty fun. And then once we make it to the top, probably set up, make some lunch, check out the views.
Just that part right there, but we'll just hug that tree on that side.
Yeah, it's not too tight, as long as you're not bouncing too much. All right, let's see what those new tires can do. Tight. That was close to your Max Trax pins. Just bump it up. Stay there. How was that, Camber? Was that too bumpy? She's like, what are we doing? Where are we going? Dude. How you doing, Cam?
Oh, you're wrapped.
Is it scratched? Oh no. Alright, don't go too far. We can't have you sniffing all the grass. Alright, that was rated an easy trail, but I would definitely not say easy. I would say moderate. It's not like super technical, but insanely tight in some places there. Glad I'm here with Jake because I'm gonna need a new wrap after this. Oh, dude. That'll buff out. That'll be fine.
Yeah.
It's just dirt.
Look, he just rubs away.
Yeah. That's why we wrap vehicles. So a Tundra, I would say almost definitely would not make it through there. If it could make it through, you'd definitely leave with a little bit of damage. I was close to hitting my bedside. I was driving with my mirror in, but we're in a pretty cool spot now. Up here in the middle of nowhere. What you think, Cam? First time off-road?
I think she just likes it here.
Yeah, she likes being outside. Now for the random gear that I'm stoked on. Dude, I've never been so stoked on bungee cords before in my life. So Jake has been running these Perfect bungees, and I've had like Harbor Freight or Tractor Supply cheap bungees in here. So these things are super rugged and durable. They won't crack like my old ones, and these are coming from Perfect Bungee. They sent me a whole bunch of them, and I use bungees for everything. So I got some black ones that are adjustable. This is sort of like a spider web, so if I don't have my Diamondback on, I can kind of put this like around all corners and it all cinches up in the middle, or I can pop them off and use them individually. So they sent these out because they saw my sad, cheap, fraying, chipped bungees. So shout out to you guys. I'll leave a link for these bungees in the description down below. I gotta put them in a roam box of their own. Yeah, that's what it is.
Oh, don't bite me. That's a good boy.
Yeah, that's a big box.
Remember I took her on that trail in Moab?
I'm gonna guess 10,300.
11,420.
Really? Dang, that's high.
Yeah, we're
pretty high.
We're pretty up here.
So this is the cooking setup. This is the one I used in the last video. I'm digging it. Gas one, mini burner. This thing's like 35 bucks, so I'll leave a link for that. Sea to Summit little pot. This costs more than the little stove. I'm gonna boil water, make some mac and cheese. All right, we are boiling. All right, now we wait 3 minutes. You wanna give her some treats?
Yeah.
Grab like one or two out of there.
You gotta open your hand. Okay.
Camber. Want more?
Can you sit? Oh, you're already sitting, you know. Good girl.
I want to.
You can sit on that?
You didn't know that? You just stand on it.
No way.
Yeah.
Jake's sitting on the table of his C4 swing out. I feel like that would, well, with all the weight on mine, I feel like you put a lot of weight on the pivot.
Oh yeah, I'm trying to take a picture.
Yeah.
But that's kind of crazy.
Camber.
Here we go. Let's see how this is.
You could get away too. Oh, that was a good one.
Ooh, this is very mediocre.
Is it still hard?
I call it a pixel.
Some of them, yeah. Damn. All right, that mac and cheese was not good. Didn't even eat it. I guess you need a microwave for doing it that way, or a pot to cook it in, which I left at home. Want to go see where the trail goes, Camber?
Yeah, let's go for a little.
Can I go with Camber?
Yeah, you wanna walk her?
Yeah. I want to be a dog babysitter when I grow up.
That's what Ashley does. She's a nurse during the day, and then she watches dogs at night. Yeah, I'd say this is about the end of the trail. People have definitely driven up here at some point. I think we have come further than anyone has come up this trail in a long time.
For a while.
What a cool view. Time for Camber's lunch. We got this little dog food carrier thing with a bunch of toys and snacks and water.
Toy snacks, water.
Should probably give her some water. You just squeeze that and that'll fill up like a little bowl. Ready for food? Oh yeah.
I do not know where to put this.
Is that right there?
Some water? Come on, Cam. Time to load up. Going up. Got your last smells in. You holding on back there? Here's an example of how tight this trail is. Insanely close to this tree. Mirror in. Oh my gosh. Oh. Tight.
How's baby puppy doing?
She's good.
Yeah, this part's a little off camber, huh?
Yeah, that's the one I was going through before, and I was like, ooh, not quite tipping, but definitely off camber. That was a good one.
You came down on your back bumper. Good, I was only on 2 wheels for a minute, so I had to rock it a little bit, but I'm good. Tired.
So we have a thunderstorm kind of rolling in, but at the head of this trail, it looks like we can turn and go up, and then there's like 2 different other loops that we're gonna check out real quick. So hopefully there's something fun over here. So there's actually 2 loops over here. This one, oh yeah, it looks like no one has driven through here in a long time as well. Probably some kind of old mining building. Oh, you got that. I don't want to crush the little pine trees though. Okay, you don't got that. That gets pretty bad pretty quick. I bet we could go on the other side of the loop and then come down here.
Yeah. Well, it looks like it does go right there.
Let's do that and see what it looks like. And then there's one more too.
Backing up.
Camber's having the most fun back here. Whoa. Alright, this just dead ends at like a little camp spot, which would be pretty cool to camp at if we wanted to camp by some mines. So this loop dead ends at this mine right here. Pretty cool. We got one more to check out. Now we're at this little branch on this next loop. This way is super steep, and this is the other side. So we're gonna take the path of least resistance here. Looks like another dead end. Looks like a hiking trail that goes up that way. What'd you think of your first time wheeling? You look tired. Rough day for a puppy. All right, so we made it back down. Did a little bit of exploration there. Found some cool stuff. It's definitely a lot trickier than our research told us it would be. Got to give a huge shout out to the throttle grenade. Some of those sections required us to go very slowly, so I threw that thing into crawl mode and obviously it worked out pretty well. Also, shout out to C4 Armor. I took a gnarly hit on something over here. Oh, it wasn't even my armor, it was my frame. Came on a big freaking boulder, slammed down on it. Everything's good though, just a little cosmetic. I wish it would have hit the rock slider, honestly.
Right here on a rock.
You hit your wheels?
Yeah.
Oh no, looks like you don't know how to parallel park.
I don't.
Alright guys, we're all aired up and ready to head home. I think Camber's tired, ready to have dinner and go to bed. Trail was fun, and this coming weekend actually, Jake is putting together this little camp trip with a bunch of friends, so I'm debating if I should bring the truck or the van. Haven't done van stuff in a while, so there's a good chance that you will see that out there. Got some new product to show you all in the van as well, so we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Say goodbye, Camber. Bye. See you later. Alright, if you guys are new to the channel, consider clicking subscribe. I make new videos every week. As always, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you in the next one.